Hi there, you're watching Market Glance, an overview of the top stories which may affect your trades as reported by investing.com and brought to you now by Dukascopy TV. Asian shares wobbled on Monday after dismal Chinese trade data eclipsed a strong US jobs report. Chinese exports fell 3.3% from a year ago levels, while imports tumbled 19.9%, far worse than analysts had expected. The Australian dollar fell 0.4% in early trade following the news. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan slipped 0.8%, while US stock futures also shed 0.4%. As one Tokyo-based analyst said, the data shows that an economic slowdown is becoming a reality. If the government brings down its growth target next month, the markets will take it even more seriously. The Japanese yen held slightly stronger on Monday in early Asia before current account data and as the markets keep a wary eye on Greece and pondered the next moves by China. Dollar yen traded at 119.07, down 0.05%, while euro dollar traded at 113.06, down 0.08%. Greece's Prime Minister reiterated Sunday that he will not ask for an extension of the current EU funding programme ending February 28th and will seek a new deal with the creditors as his government is not recognising past agreements. In the week ahead, the Eurozone is to release what will be closely watched data on fourth quarter economic growth on Friday. Investors will also be focusing on Thursday's inflation report from the Bank of England and Friday's US consumer sentiment data. On Monday in the Eurozone, Germany is to release data on the trade balance, so Euro watchers keep an eye out for that. Oil prices steadied on Monday as falling US oil rig counts and conflict in producer Libya were balanced by that slump in Chinese imports, pointing to lower fuel demand in the world's biggest energy consumer. Brent crude oil for March was up 30 cents at $58.10 a barrel by 1:40 GMT. US crude was up 60 cents at $52.29 a barrel, having hit a session high of $53.4. Brent rose more than 9% last week, its biggest weekly rise since February 2011. Meanwhile, Chinese crude oil imports slid by 7.9% in volume terms in January. So will oil prices really strengthen? What will the Greek government do next? Stick with us at investing.com and Dukascopy TV to find out. For me and for now though, it's goodbye.